Y'all, Motown Tress did not come to play with this unit. Girl, tell me this is not giving you rich and famous Kardashian vibes. Like, girl, you can't tell me this is not coming out of my scalp when. You can't tell me this is not human hair too, even though it's synthetic. Motown Tress, you're doing something. I feel like they're trying to come for y'all's next sensational. Like, okay, Motown Tress.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to OKAYYY Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this whole look that is on my head. This is one of the new units from Motown Tress, and I don't know why they did not give this one an official name because, girl, I feel like this one deserves a name, not just some random number. Like, honestly, I'm feeling like calling this one Kimberly. This is in the style L136.HD06 in the color number 1B. It's from the company Motown Tress. So if you're interested in seeing the construction and how I styled this unit, just stay tuned for this video.
Healing my health and appearing aloud. Stealing your ceilings, my head's in the clouds. Feeling my feet, I'm immersing my sound. Fearing the hate to create the compound. Dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay so you know I'm around. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the lungs. I'm stepping inside your house, betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch, checking your cushions and clearing you out, setting my dishes up under your spout, standing your bedding and wearing it out, messing your threading and airing it out. I've been expelling and came here to gouge, letting you sweat your regret with a slouch. Came out the dirty, no Oscar the grouch. I'm disrespecting and spending my clouds, dreading I'm flexing in front of your spouse, getting you pressed like a fruit by the ounce, testing your patience and stressing you out, vetting your basement and testing your doubt. Rip up your pavement, I'm tearing this down. Give up a statement, it's smearing you now. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Beat off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the lungs. I'm soaking in the ocean, a commotion is implosion. Soaking out my fire, how your silver's been provoking. Joking my desire with a little bit of potion. Hoping my supplier has acquired all the hoping. So they for a profit just to offset the corroding. Hold it like a faucet just to stop it from exposing. Those that tend to profit from the losses of the broken. Those the men that toxic living nauseous in an open.
So the construction on this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps. It does come with 13x6 HD invisible lace parting space. It also does come pre-plucked, and it also has baby hairs. So honey, let me just come in a little bit and show you what their hairline is looking like, because I feel like they done did it. So the hairline, honey, you'll see that. Look at that hairline. Fabulous, you guys. I feel like the hairline is looking really, really good. The length on this, like the card states, is 26 inches. Let me just come out a little bit and show you guys where that falls on me. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it falls below my boob, so it is pretty long. The texture on this is definitely feeling, it's not silky, but it's not yucky. It feels a little bit dry, to be honest. I would say it's definitely more towards yucky, probably like a very, very light yucky. Definitely nowhere near silky. I'm not feeling the fact that it's feeling a little bit dry. But the look though, it does not look dry though, honey. And also, I don't know if my ring light is making it come out shiny, but in person, just know it definitely does have more of a dull look, so I don't really feel like it'll be an issue as far as needing to tame the shininess down, because like I said, girl, in person, this is looking bomb. It's definitely not looking shiny. It looks like it just has a sort of natural luster to it, like you got some healthy hair going on, if you did what I'm saying. So the density on this is definitely at least 150. It's not on the thinner side, it's more towards the middle, but it's not super full. I feel like this is really like the perfect amount of hair, especially with it being so long. It's right in the middle. I really like the density. It has some layers, more so towards the top, like some face framing-ish layers. So this unit definitely is going to be small, medium, and big head friendly, so ding 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 for that. I actually did go in and adjust the strap, and I'm also wearing it without my wig grip band today, and it's fitting my head really nicely. But I also do still have some stretch, and I didn't adjust the straps all the way, so I do feel like this is going to be versatile enough. So if you do have a small, medium, or large size head, I feel like this one shouldn't be an issue for you. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this bad boy is looking like. So just know if you get out of the box and try to do a middle part, you may get some hump action, but you can add heat to remedy that. So let's just get into the cons and pros of this unit. My first con is definitely going to be the shedding. There was a good amount of shedding with this. Honestly, I don't feel like it was enough shedding that I wouldn't pick this unit up again, but definitely just beware that it is a noticeable amount of shedding. So keep that in mind if you're going to be planning on wearing this daily. And also another con I have for sure is the tangling. Honey, it's real. Like, it is real. It's not insane, but it's definitely a good amount of tangling and shedding. Like, I'm getting snags right now, honey. And part of the reason for that, I do feel like, is the texture, and that's gonna be my third con right there, is the textures that I wish it wasn't as dry. Like, she a little dry. And I definitely do think the texture is one of the reasons why it's tangling up on me. And y'all, to be real with you, I think this is helping out. Let me just do this real quick. Y'all, I love the way that it's taken that leave-in conditioner. Like, definitely giving me human hair vibes right now. This is the side that I added the leave-in conditioner to, and this is the other side. It does seem like the leave-in conditioner defined the pattern a little bit more. But other than that, I think those are my only three cons. My pros with this unit are I really, really love the lace. I love the hairline. I love the fact that the baby hairs were so easy to manipulate. I like the fact that it does have 13x6 parting space. You can do different styles with it. I really like this curl pattern. I feel like I don't go for this pattern a lot. I like the density on it. It's a good amount of hair on the unit. The overall style of it, I just feel like it's really cute. The lace. Oh no, I definitely feel like there's definitely more pros and cons. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.